Welcome to our SQL tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on rollup operator. Rollup operator is an extension of the group by clause used to generate summary report with subtotal and GrandTotals. It helps in aggregating data at multiple levels of granularity. You can say the rollup operator produces a result set that shows aggregates for a hierarchy of values. It is typically used to create subtotal and GrandTotals. It works from left to right, creating subtotal that roll up from the most detailed levels to a GrandTotal. So basically, if you are talking about the ideal cases where you can use rollup, suppose that you have a sales data and you want to generate your category level data and you want to aggregate this sales at a year level, that means subtotal. So we have a sales data like this. So I am using SQL Server and we are going to use rollup clause to generate year wise category performance. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to create a new query window and then we are going to use this table. So we need select order date comma category, that is our product category, then price and quantity. These are the 4 columns we have. Now we are going to use rollup. So for rollup we are going to use sum into price into quantity as sales, and then we are going to use group by. Rollup that is our order date and product category. Like this. So here you can see we are able to pull our data at day level, and in each day it is going to show up roll up sales for that particular day for all category. Now we are going to summarize this order date on a year level. So how can we do that? We are going to use year. We are going in SQL, year function is available to get the year, sales year. Then we are going to use the same feature in the rollup clause. Here. Now you can see in the end of each year we are getting a null value for null value in the product category. So that is our subtotal for this entire year for these categories. And the same thing you can see in the last row, that is our GrandTotal. Okay, so you can see it is very easy to roll up your sales uh, on a hierarchical level. In this hierarchy you can see we are following sales here, then we are getting product category, then we are able to get the subtotal of the sales in a year for all categories, as well as we are able to get the grand total for the entire data for each category. Yeah, thank you for watching us. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.